Do you know cooking food in a microwave is cancerous?
Oh my god, really?
Microwaved food is cancerous? Let's get into this. A microwave uses electromagnetic waves to vibrate water molecules, heating food from inside out without radiation contamination. If we look at the health benefits, it uses a shorter cooking time with better nutrient retention, which is especially important for vitamin C and all the B vitamins. It provides lesser heat exposure in comparison to frying and pressure cooking methods. You do not need extra oil for cooking in a microwave. Also, it is a great tool for reheating and steaming of food. Now, if we look at the unhealthier side, ultra processed, ready to eat food still remains unhealthy. It won't get healthier if you're cooking in a microwave. Plastic containers may leach chemicals if they are not microwave safe. Therefore, microwave is a safe cooking tool. The only thing matters is container choice and food quality.